Hey guys, welcome to LawnCareMadeEasy.com. I'm Zach Stroud. Today we will be giving away, for the whole month of February, we're going to give away the Hori Hori knife. So all you have to do is subscribe to this channel to be entered into this free giveaway, and I will announce the winner at the end of the month. But this is called a Hori Hori knife, and what it is it's just a really sharp knife. It's going to be used for digging. You can use it to dig in the soil. If you need to cut something in the landscaping, you need to prune something. It has little serrated edges here on the end. It has some level marks in the back. It's a really great tool. It's made out of a really nice piece of wood here, wood grain. It's really nice, has a nice pouch that goes with it. So it's a really nice tool to add to your tool shed, and I think you're going to really like it. So don't forget to subscribe to the channel and take advantage of winning this free tool. Have a great day, guys.